my name is Charlene and I am a lawyer in Singapore. Work can get really intense, and I've been thinking about it lately that I don't want to be doing this at the later years of my life. So I thought I want to up level and I want to see where that takes me. And so I'm here. The first one, just the amount of material that we've learned. I don't think I've understood the why and the how behind interpretation of financial statements and how to put this into practice ever, even though I did other kinds of courses before. The second one is obviously Cayden, the presenter. He's a phenomenal teacher. His ability to so easily break down such complex financial matters to such simple language that just anyone can understand. And then the third one is it has become so evident throughout my 4 days here that the spirit of the community is very high and just solid. From the coaches to the VIA staff, everyone is friendly, engaging, and you can just see that they are living and breathing these principles. They are so passionate about investing and they're so passionate about VIA. And I felt that I want to be part of this community. I would definitely recommend VIA to my friends. And in fact, I already have a few days ago. And I already have 2 friends who are interested. So yes.